Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low-cost, powerful DIY face mask using just one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. This mask will tighten your skin, fade dark spots, reduce acne, and give your face a youthful, radiant glow without spending money on expensive creams or treatments. And stay tuned till the end, because I'll share one bonus addition that costs you nothing extra but takes your skin to the next level. Step 1. Egg white mask. Let's begin with our star ingredient, egg white. Crack an egg and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Put the egg white in a clean bowl and whisk it gently until it becomes slightly frothy. Now apply a thin layer of this egg white to your face using clean fingers or a brush. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it completely dries. As it dries, you'll feel your skin tightening. This is amazing for lifting, firming, and reducing the appearance of large pores and fine lines. Step 2. Add the egg yolk. Now let's move to the second part, the egg yolk. Don't throw it away. Once you've rinsed off the egg white mask with warm water and gently dried your face, it's time to apply the yolk. Egg yolk is rich in vitamin A, which helps heal and renew skin. It's also loaded with vitamins D, E, K, B complex and choline, all of which deeply nourish and repair your skin. Apply the egg yolk directly to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. This step adds a moisturizing and healing boost that makes your skin softer, smoother, and more youthful. Optional. Add yogurt. Here's a bonus tip. Mix 1 teaspoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt into the egg yolk before applying. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, which are great for balancing your skin's natural microbiome. It also soothes the skin, reduces redness, and adds a healthy glow. Make sure the yogurt is plain and organic, with no added sugar or flavors. How often to use? You can use this 2-step mask once or twice a week. It's easy, affordable, and incredibly effective for almost every skin type. You'll notice tighter pores, brighter skin, and fewer blemishes after just a few uses. Bonus. Feed your skin from inside. Here's something most people overlook. Healthy skin starts from the inside too. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods for your skin. Try adding 2 to 4 eggs a day into your meals if your diet allows. They're full of biotin, protein, and essential vitamins that help support healthy skin, hair, and nails. If you cook them, use olive oil, butter, or coconut oil. Avoid processed seed oils, like corn or soybean oil. So there you have it. A simple, affordable, and all-natural face mask that you can make at home in minutes. It tightens, nourishes, and heals your skin with ingredients that cost almost nothing. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy and effective natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.